Steps after winning the random immigration.
Step 1. If you are selected.
Selected applicants should immediately complete the DS-260 online to schedule an interview at the appropriate U.S. Embassy or consulate.
Step 2. Confirm your qualifications. The Diversity Immigrant Visa (DV) program requires the principal DV applicant to have a high school education, or its equivalent, or 2 years of qualifying work experience as defined under provisions of U.S. law. If you do not have either the required education or qualifying work experience, you are not eligible for a diversity visa.
A high school education means successful completion of a formal course of elementary and secondary education comparable to a 12-year course in the United States. Work experience. If you are qualifying with work experience, you must have 2 years of experience in the last 5 years, in an occupation which, by U.S. Department of Labor definitions.
Step 3. Submit your immigrant visa and alien registration application. The principal applicant and all family members applying for a diversity visa program must complete Form DS-260. You will need to enter your DV case number into the online DS-260 form to access and update the information about yourself and your family that you included in your DV entry. After submitting the Form DS-260 online, print the confirmation page. You must bring the confirmation page to your visa interview. Please be aware that KCC can only tell you if your form has been processed. KCC cannot tell you if you or your family members are eligible for diversity visas. Only the consular officer who interviews you can make that decision.
Step 4. Prepare supporting documents. After KCC receives and processes the DS-260 application form for you and your accompanying family members, you will receive instructions for how to submit required supporting documents. You will take original documents with you to your interview at a U.S. Embassy or consulate. Do not mail any of these documents to the Kentucky Consular Center. All paper documents or correspondence mailed to KCC will be destroyed. To know the required documents, please enter through the link that will be placed in the video description box.
Step 5. Interview. After the Kentucky Consular Center, KCC, has reviewed your completed DS-260, you may receive an email from KCC to let you know that an interview has been scheduled at the U.S. Embassy or consulate you selected on your DS-260 form.
The email will instruct you to log into the entrance status. Check on the Electronic Diversity Visa (EDV) website using your DV entry confirmation number to view the date, time, and location of your interview. Print this information to take with you to your interview.
Everyone in your family Applying for a diversity immigrant visa will need to be present at the interview, or be interviewed at a later date, in order to receive a visa. This includes you, your spouse, and children, as applicable.
Important applicant notice. Based on U.S. law, not everyone who applies for a visa will be found eligible to come to the United States. There are several possible reasons why someone might not qualify for a visa. The circumstances of each case are different. Approved visas generally are not available on the day of interview. It is important that you do not make arrangements such as selling your house, car, or property, resigning from your job, or making non-refundable flight or other travel arrangements until you have received your immigrant visa.
Step 6. Prepare for the interview. You should prepare for your interview thoroughly and carefully. Failure to be fully prepared for your interview at the U.S. Embassy or Consulate can result in delay or denial of your visa application. After you have been notified of your scheduled interview, you will need to take the following important steps in advance of the interview date. 1. Carefully review your scheduling information in the entrance status check on the EDV website, noting the date, time, and location of your immigrant visa interview.
2. Review U.S. Embassy or Consulate interview instructions.
3. Schedule and complete a medical examination. You, and each family member applying for a visa with you, are required to schedule a medical appointment with an authorized physician in the country where you will be interviewed. You must complete your medical examination, along with any required vaccinations, before your scheduled visa interview date. When your medical exam is completed, if you are given a medical exam envelope, you must bring it sealed, not opened, to your visa interview. Some physicians will send the medical exam results directly to the embassy or consulate.
Four. Gather photographs and all remaining required documents. Photographs. Appointment information printed from the entrance status check on the EDV website. DS-260 confirmation page. Passport. Original documents or certified copies. A link will be placed in the description box for your review.
Visa fees. If you did not pay your visa fees prior to your interview, you will need to pay them before speaking with a consular officer. Step 7. Applicant interview. On the scheduled date and time of your interview appointment, go to the U.S. Embassy or Consulate. A consular officer will interview you and accompanying family member beneficiaries and determine whether or not you can receive an immigrant visa. As part of the interview process, ink-free, digital fingerprint scans will be taken. At the end of your immigrant visa interview at the U.S. Embassy or Consulate, the consular officer will inform you whether your visa application is approved or denied.